Omwaka gwa 1994 ebisharira bikaba birikwinga n'obucweka 15 harigana mu Uganda bitu ngu hatasigireho obucweka 8 n'obutonyezo 9 harigana okurugerera ha ripota y'omwaka gw'2024. Mwanyuma ya gavumenti okutamu amaani hati ebisharira mu Uganda biri aha bucweka 9 n'obutonyezo 3 harigana okurugerera ha ripoti ey'omwaka gw'2025. Izobe rya Uganda lyayegita aha mahanga gandi okujaguza ekiro ky'ebisharira ahansi y'omuto guri kugira ngu ebisharira n'amagezi ga kare okwesimisa eby'obuhangwa. Omukoro ogu gwaba ha mbuga nkuru eza National Environment Management Authority omuri Kampala.
This year's global theme, Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge, Celebrating Cultural Heritage, speaks directly to the soul of our nation and reminds us that the wetlands are not only ecological assets but also a cultural landscape that have sustained communities for the generations. Across Uganda, wetlands have historically supported traditional livelihoods such as fishing, grazing, craft making, herbal medicine, and cultural rituals.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja yajwekera mukuru w'ihanga President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aha mukoro ogu kandi yayongera kwiga abanya-Uganda okurinda no kugaruzaho ebisharira ebyasisirwe ahabwa nyensi yanongi y'ihanga.
In the absence of wetlands, key sectors like agriculture, fisheries, tourism, and the craft industry and hydropower generation would be negatively impacted. For generations, wetlands have shaped our people's customs, beliefs, and ways of life. Across Uganda, wetlands have been protected as sacred sites and cultural landscapes.
Report that over the last few years, significant progress has been made in wetland conservation, where we have reversed the trend of wetland loss through sustained protection and restoration. Our chief guest, we have also gazetted all wetlands and increased the political support towards wetland restoration. And this effort has not only resulted into the increase in the intact wetland cover, but also improved the functionality of the wetland ecosystem.
President Museveni asimira omurimo guriyo n'ogukorwa b'ebembezi b'ebyobuhangwa omu kugaruraho ebyobuhangwa kandi yashaba abanya-Uganda okuba bokubanza omu kubirinda.
While the government is working hard using her parameters in trying to ensure the sustainable use of this resource, wetland, I would like to note that it is important to combine effort with the cultural leaders in this country to work better.
The NRM government remains committed to conservation, sustainable use and management of wetlands. I urge communities living near wetlands to engage in fish farming at the edges of the wetlands.
Enganzi y'ihanga yayongera yatongozaho engenderwaho y'emyaka 10 erikuza kukuratirwa okugaruzaho ebisharira byasisikire. Aha mukoro ogu habiriho n'okurambura emidaara yabimwe habikozerwa abanya-Uganda kandi bikozerwa mu bintu bya burijo. Gashakwa Thomas tumwebaze.